Today I'm going on an African safari adventure in one of my favorite places in the world. I'm going to be staying at Belle Balance Bush Hideout in Plettenberg Bay Game Reserve. My plan is to document my stay here. I'll show you the room, game drives, and everything else Belle Balance Bush Hideout has to offer. Let's go! Welcome to our room at Belle Balance Bush Hideout. This place looks amazing. Let's go inside and check it out. We are staying in room 3 right here at Belle Balance Bush Hideout at Plettenberg Bay Game Reserve in South Africa. I have a feeling that my stay here is going to be amazing. There is definitely something special about this place, and I think you guys will feel it as well, especially if you come and stay here. If you want to check that out, the link is down in the description below at a really great price for everything that you get here. If you have a look on their website, you'll see that Belle Balance Bush Hideout is the perfect getaway accommodation. I haven't actually been here that long, but so far I agree. So if you want to stay the night, there are 8 unique rooms with beautiful views of the Tsitsikamma Mountains. Or if you want to just come for the day, there are a lot of activities that you can do, including a game drive safari, a horseback safari, or you can just chill at the pool. If you want to look up more information about that, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description as well. So, let's get into the tour. You'll arrive at Belle Balance Bush Hideout, check in, and then you'll make your way to your room. Wow, welcome inside. When you first walk in, this huge fireplace catches your eye. Let's start off with the lounge. This is a beautiful table, and it is the perfect height for a footrest for both the couch and the chair, as you just saw. This fireplace is awesome. It kept us so warm last night, we had a proper fire going. It is a great addition, and also falling asleep to the sound of a crackling fire, that was amazing. And then there's this thing, I think it's a poof, maybe? I'm not actually too sure, but let's just go with that. That's a great word. Next up, we have the bedroom. There are 2 beautiful 3/4 beds, and they both have mosquito nets so that you don't get bitten. These beds are really comfortable, I approve. In between both beds, there is a table and a chair with a mirror where you can do your work or maybe your makeup. I don't know, use it for whatever you want, but whatever you use it for, I'm sure it will do a great job. Anyways, let's go check out the bathroom. I love a good bath, and I could definitely have an enjoyable bath in here, but it is in the middle of the room, so I can imagine it could lead to uncomfortable situations like me sharing a room with my dad. So I'm gonna have to skip that one. But don't worry, there is a separate room with a toilet and a shower. Something really cool about this wall here is that it is the same rock that was used when it was originally built back in the 1900s. There is also this vanity with 2 basins, which is beautiful. Works well. Let's go outside and check out the patio. There is a beautiful patio outside with a couch and a table and 2 chairs where you can sit at either one and enjoy a view of the beautiful Tsitsikamma Mountains. So that's the room. Let's go see what else Belle Balance Bush Hideout has to offer. There's this watering hole right over here. I haven't seen any animals come drink from it yet, but if I do, I'll let you know. There's also another watering hole over here. Apparently there's hippos according to the sign. That's not a sign you want to see every day, so hopefully I don't see any hippos running towards me. I just have to check. So this lodge actually isn't fenced in, it's open to the reserve, so there's a possibility that you might run into some animals, so always keep an eye out. There's also a beautiful boma area over here. As you can see last night, it looks like they had a great fire going. You can sit here, enjoy the beautiful fire, and it's very quiet, I'm assuming. There is also another spot up here where you can sit and enjoy a beautiful sight of the watering hole, so let's go up and see what's there. Wow, this is a pretty cool spot. There are plenty of places to sit over here. There is also a bar and the only TV on the lodge, which is very cool. I love that. This is the first pool and it is beautiful. I would 100% have a swim here if it wasn't winter. It's actually not as cold as I thought it was going to be. I'm still not going to have a swim though. Yeah, I can definitely get used to this. And this is the second pool. It is beautiful here. And I think it's a bit colder than the first one. I'm in the spa right now and I didn't actually get a massage, but if I had a massage, this would be a great spot to have one. This is a crazy view of the Tsitsikamma Mountains. There's also a forest hike here. I'm not exactly sure where the entrance is, but apparently it's a very intense 2-hour hike where you hike down to the Palmates and Kirkworms River, where you go sit, have a picnic at the rock pools, which I'm sure is beautiful, so hopefully I can come back here another time and do that. Then you can go on a horse safari, bushwalk, or you can go on a game drive, which is what we're about to do, so I will see you there.
I just want to introduce myself. I'm Brad. Nice to meet you.
Okay, I'm Marlon.
Cool. Nice to meet you. Are we going to find some cool animals?
Hope so.
But we have just left for a game drive, or we're about to leave. I'm very excited. Let's do it. Let's go. I'll see you on the drive. just got back from the game drive and I just saw these two chairs looking off into the mountains here, and I thought, why not come sit here, enjoy the view and talk about the game drive. And it is a great spot. It was a good decision, so good job, Brad. Pat on the back. That was an awesome game drive. I really enjoyed it. It's a beautiful reserve. It really reminded me of Botlius Game Reserve, which if you want to see that video, I'll put a link to it right over there. Maybe in the other corner, I could be wrong. There weren't a crazy amount of animals. We saw the usual stuff, but there are no cats in the reserve. There is a separate enclosure for a lion, beautiful lion, but it's a pity he is in an enclosure by himself. They said his partner passed away, unfortunately, so he's left there alone. Funny story that the game ranger told us was that he was once driving in that enclosure. The lion started chasing the car, jumped on the back of the vehicle, got in the car, and then the game ranger started driving again, flung the lion off the vehicle. The lion came back from the game ranger, stopped the vehicle, and then the lion went flying into the mirror right there by the game ranger's face, which is pretty scary. I'm sure he's scarred from that moment. We are just gonna chill a little bit now, gonna get ready for supper. I'll see you later. Just arrived. We have ordered a vegetable potato roasty curry. I just had a taste. It is delicious. We're going to enjoy it, and afterwards we're going to go back to the room and have an early night. So I will see you guys in the morning. So that is everything that we did at Belle Balance Bush Hideout. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers. That's a still shot you got there, man. There's this watering hole over here. I haven't seen any animals come drink from it yet, but if I do see anyone, not anyone. Push the lid down. Push it in. I think it's unlocked. It's unlocked. Wait, what? God, that's literally cringy thumbnails that you see on YouTube.
Do that.
Oh my word! There's hippos in this watering hole. Oh my! Don't eat us.
It's so quiet here. That is like one of the most special parts of this place.
Yeah. We're in the silence.